Hi everyone, welcome to GITIXONE trading channel. Alright, so today we'll be talking about something related to chemistry, and that's why I'm my lab coat because I hold BSc in industrial chemistry. Alright, so today we'll be talking about the activation energy. And what is activation energy? In chemistry, we deal with chemical compositions of elements and how they react to one another. Okay, so in a chemical reaction, there is what we call activation energy. The activation energy is the minimum energy required. It is the minimum amount of energy required for reactant to transform into products. For any chemical reaction, if the minimum energy is not attained, that is the activation energy. If it is not attained, the reactant cannot be converted into products. Do you understand? The same thing applies to trading. How do you apply this same knowledge in your forex trading or in your binary trading or any kinds of trading? I would say that as a trader, when you want to trade a particular asset, you would have already determined what you are going to lose, that's your risk, and then what you are going to gain, which is your profit, all right, should in case the market goes in your direction. Now, many times, new traders, after they've already opened the chart, they've already done the analysis, they cannot enter the trade because they are not confident enough to place the trade. For some reasons, they feel that, what if I enter this trade and it goes wrong? That feeling of what if I enter the trade and it goes wrong is a feeling that is caused by lack of confidence. And in trading, confidence is required. So confidence is the minimum required energy that it will take you to trade successfully. If every time you are afraid of the outcome of a trade, whether it is going to go positive or negative, if you are afraid of such, then you don't have the minimum required energy for you to transition from where you are to the next level in your trading career. So what I'm here to tell you today is that, have you done your analysis? Have you checked all of the factors you look at before you enter a trade? If they are in place, the only thing missing is your confidence level. You have to take it from level 1 to level 2 to level 3. In this vein, there are people we call conservative traders. There are people we call aggressive traders. So all of these will depend on your psychological makeup as a person, right? But when you come to the financial market, you will have to discover yourself. You will have to find yourself. You will have to look for the kind of personality that you have, and you will have to train yourself based on that personality to enter a trade. So whether you're going to be aggressive or conservative, it depends on you as an individual, which is also different from another trader. But for every one of us, whether you are a conservative trader or whether you're an aggressive trader, you will need some level of confidence to be able to enter a trade. This level of confidence can be gotten out of how long you have backtested your strategy, the result it has given you so far. You must also know that there is no perfect strategy. There is no 100% strategy, no 100% approach to the market. That also goes to mean that you will always need confidence on any particular strategy or system that you are using to trade. So as a trader, conservative or aggressive, you must attain a certain level of confidence for you to enter a trade. This is true in chemistry. Like I started, in chemistry, we have different elements, we have different compounds, all right? So each of these compounds, they have their different activation energy when they react. What will happen when sodium reacts with chloride is not the same when that same sodium reacts with another halogen, that is, let's say, flow right. The activation energy differs from reaction to reaction. The same way, our trading will not be the same. All right, but we will all require a certain level of confidence for us to trade successfully. So what am I going to tell you at the end of all of this? Conclusively, I am saying that whatever strategy you have that you are using to trade, the only reason why you stay back after analyzing is your confidence level. So you will have to heighten it up if you need to make progress. Why for some persons, they'll need to reduce it because being too aggressive sometimes can be also painful. Do you understand? So in all, I'm trying to tell you that don't let fear, the fear of missing out or fear of what will happen if I enter, all of those kind of fear, don't allow them to hinder you. Let your confidence level be intact in accordance to the type of a trader you are, whether conservative or aggressive. Do you understand? So with time, I'm going to be bringing to you so many strategies that are proven and are working. I have taught the strategy I use in this channel severally. You can go back to the videos that are in this channel. Take your time. You will not learn it in one day, but take your time. Just go through the strategies, okay? But I'll still be teaching other ones. I will have other topics coming soon. Like somebody was asking me in the comment section to talk about Fibonacci levels. Another person was asking me to talk about support and resistance. So I'm going to do videos on all of these strategies. They work. They are very powerful systems. You just need to be taught the right way, and then you will trade them with a proper level of confidence. And this year will be a great year for you. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. And then till I meet you again, happy trading.